Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In the previous video we talked about navigation, how do you move your mesh around, how do you dolly, pan and zoom. So today we're going to talk about the different views of the viewport and how we can manipulate around that. So let's get to it. If you look at the top left, you'll see that right now we are at the user perspective view. If you look at your keyboard, there is a tilde key that is next to the number 1 key. Press that and you'll get a pop-up pie menu that allows you to change the different views. So for example, the top view, and you get to see an orthographic view, as you can see on the top left, top orthographic. Now switching to this, back to the user perspective view, all you need to do is just use your middle mouse, press and drag on it, and you'll switch back to user perspective. Now switching back from here to any other view you like is the same as pressing the tilde key. Another way switching that you can switch views is by looking at your one. This keys over here. So by pressing this keys, these icons, you will get to switch your views and you'll be indicated over here which views that you are in right now. Alright, now if you middle mouse press and drag again, you'll be back to the user perspective view, and you can use this widget to shift around same as usual. Pressing on the gray circle and dragging around will also give you the same effect as if you are holding down the middle mouse button to dolly around the scene. If you have a full-size keyboard and you have a numpad key, pressing 1 will allow you to switch to the front orthographic view, 3 will get you to the right, 7 get you to the top view, 9 to the bottom, and 5 is a perspective view. So that is essentially 3 different ways that you can switch views around the 3D viewport. One thing to note though is that right now you are in one single pane, but sometimes it will be useful to be able to see the same object or the same scene in different views. So how can you switch views? Well, one way to do that is by pressing Ctrl Alternate Q, and you'll be able to see the same scene but in different views. As you can see, top orthographic, front, right, and user perspective view. To switch back, all you need to do is just press Ctrl Alternate Q again, and you'll get back to the single pane perspective view. So again, Ctrl Alternate Q, Ctrl Alternate Q to switch back. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See ya.